Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friends in eFootball 2024. So in today's version, it is not about adding friends anymore, but it is about creating a room and joining that room. So first, you just have to click on the match option from the main menu. So this one, our goal here is to create a room. Then select the friend match option. Then here, select from this two, create one versus one match room or create co-op match room. So we're going to select the create one versus one match room. And after that, I will then just going to create and skip the set password. And then here, select or copy the match room number and you're going to send it to your friend. Now, assuming that I am your friend, then I will then just going to click on the search match room to paste or type out here the room number that you have sent me. And after typing out here, I will then just have to select the search option at the bottom right. And right after that, we can start playing the eFootball 2024. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.